Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D300 X, finished in Pangea Green metallic paint, with 20-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, red brake calipers, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we have the electrically deployable tow bar. As we look now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 40/20/40 rear folding seats. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside. We have the Ebony Windsor leather seats with centre armrest, ice-fixed child seat mounts, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate vents and heated seat buttons. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian surround sound system badge on the door card as we turn into view the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button. We have the interactive driver display with sat nav. We have the head-up display on the dash and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. We have the heated and cooled seat controls and the 3D surround camera display with towing assist view. On the centre console we can see the climate controls with the right eye buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.